Keyhole surgery has revolutionised the medical field. However, it has created a new challenge in the care and cleaning of costly, delicate instruments. Very few have been prepared to answer the challenge. South Australia is a leading centre for innovation and is renowned for cutting-edge developments and manufacturing around the world. Working with the Adelaide University Research Precinct, Soniclean has not only accepted but has mastered the challenge. They have designed and manufactured an ultrasonic irrigator unit to clean cannulated instruments gently, safely and thoroughly. Welcome to the world of Soniclean and ultrasonics. Cannulated instruments are time-consuming and hard to clean. Here, we see how the cleaning action passes through the hollow instruments and combines with the pulse-swept broadband ultrasonic system. The delicate cannulated instruments have minute crevices which create unique problems when it comes to cleaning. The pulse-swept broadband ultrasonics gently bombards the instruments, removing any bioburden particles that are quite often invisible to the naked eye. With Soniclean, you know the risk of infection has been absolutely minimised. The S2800 irrigator is easy to load and is easy to use, as easy as using a dishwasher. Just load, press a button and walk away. The touchpad controls are fully programmable. In addition, the machine can electronically log and print out reports for accurate record keeping. The simple foil test guarantees the machine performance for peace of mind. The S2800 irrigator has been in use in surgical units in Australia and Asia for over 12 months. Sylvia Morris, Sterilisation Training Manager of the Northwest Area Health Service, has this to say about the importance of the cleaning of cannulated instruments.
In recent times, laparoscopic surgery has changed the work site in most CCC departments. The field of laparoscopic surgery has almost replaced, in many sites, open surgery, and the instruments that are used are very delicate and need specialised skills. The issue with laparoscopic instruments is because they're manually intensive to clean, the industry standard now is to use ultrasonic washers. And there have been further developments in the field that have a feature which is a pumping action which can now remove soil from the instruments. Cleaning has become the most important thing in the sterilising process, and any developments that we can make to improve cleaning are going to be good for patient care in the future. Once you start the process in these cannulated washers, if there's any fault or any problem, the machine will alarm and stop the process, and you actually get good clear indication on the machine, on the digital display, that the cycle is incomplete. The way of the future is automation, and cannulated ultrasonic cleaners are now the benchmark throughout the world.
Each machine is made to the highest quality and exceeds the Australian standards, which is one of the most stringent in the world. Time equals money, and the S2800 irrigator will save you plenty of both. In these days of staffing cuts, paying a qualified nurse to clean instruments is a waste of time and resources. The S2800 irrigator takes only minutes to load. The machine will even fill and drain itself, so that you only flush with clean and not recycled solution. This is a state-of-the-art addition to your surgical unit. Technologically advanced Soniclean can monitor your machine's performance in real time, no matter where it is in the world, via the internet. Full technical support is available, along with staff training, so that you maximise the value from your machine. Backup service is paramount. The company has been working with ultrasonics for well over a decade. With over 10,000 Soniclean ultrasonic cleaning units already in use, you're assured that when it comes to ultrasonics, Soniclean is a world leader. In addition to the S2800 irrigator, Soniclean produce a range of benchtop ultrasonic cleaners. These environmentally friendly and cost-effective machines are ideal for smaller operations, like dentists and GP surgeries. There is a variety of sizes ranging from 1.6 litre through to a huge 80 litre model. Soniclean are working with the Walk Institute and their research into cleaning and validating medical implants. There is no end of industry uses for ultrasonic cleaners, such as jewellery manufacture, automotive industry, printer cartridge refill and electronic printed circuits. Where you need ultra clean, you need Soniclean. Finally, there is the PS2000, an ultrasonic cleaning machine for large, busy surgical units. Like the S2800 irrigator, this fully programmable machine will clean and decontaminate surgical instruments prior to sterilisation. It is user-friendly, offers data reporting, is easy to maintain and comes in a range of sizes. When you are looking for the ultimate in cleaning and peace of mind, talk to the people who really understand ultrasonics. Soniclean. So easy, so fast, so clean. Soniclean.